This is the plaintiff, Robert Gaines. He says he and his girlfriend bought bedroom furniture from the defendant, and the crook tried to pull a switcheroo a day before delivery. When he inquired about a missing dresser and nightstand, the swindler told him it would cost extra, but he knows those items were included in his original deal. Since the defendant's trying to rip him off, he wants every penny of the $4,500 he gave him returned. This is the defendant, Dimitri Trinnell. He says he wrote up an invoice for all the pieces of furniture the plaintiff ordered. And then at the last minute, he decided he no longer wanted this stuff and demanded a refund. His company did nothing wrong. He was perfectly willing to deliver the items and owes nothing to no one. He's accused of fudging on the furniture.
All parties, please raise your right hands.
Welcome back to the People's Court. Next case in the docket, the plaintiff bought bedroom furniture from the defendant and says he got swindled. He didn't get all he paid for, but the defendant says it was all on the up and up. It's the case of You Ain't Top Drawer.
Thank you, Douglas. Robert Gaines, you are suing Orbit Furniture and Mattress, represented here by Dimitri Trinnell. You're the owner, for $4,500 that you want returned to you because, according to you, they breached the contract. What happened?
I went to Orbit Furniture Company. I'm trying to buy furniture for a brand new apartment. When I went to the store, Demetrius showed me around the store and told me that, what he was gonna sell to me. And when we came to a bedroom set, first of all, I got a living room set, a bedroom set, a dining room set, and a couple other pieces. So when he told me what he's gonna sell to me, he showed me the bedroom set. He told me he was gonna sell me the bed, the mattress, the headboard, the mirror, the dresser, and the nightstand. And a day before the delivery, he canceled on it. He said all he told me was the bed. It wasn't no dressers.
What about the living room and all the other stuff?
All that stuff was still on the list. But he said,
he called you, he said, I'm delivering tomorrow.
Right.
And then he says, this is what I'm delivering.
Right, exactly.
And then you tell him, wait, you're missing the mirror and the dresser and the nightstand.
Yes.
Okay. And he says, what mirror, what dresser, and what nightstand?
Basically, yes.
Right. So did you look at the receipt?
Yes.
And is it on there?
No.
But your discussion with him at the store was that that was being sold to you.
Exactly.
Did you read what you signed on the receipt?
Well, before I signed the receipt, I said, basically, we shopping around. So before I sign this, can I get a full refund if I find it somewhere cheaper or better? He said, yeah, sure, no problem. So that's what made me sign the receipt.
Is that what the receipt says?
No.
Okay. So let me see the receipt. Here's where the problem's going to be. I have a feeling, I'm going to ask him now his version,
okay.
And I have a feeling he's going to stick to the receipt. That's
right.
The written proof in the case. And then you be thinking about how you're going to persuade me that I need to believe the things you're saying as opposed to what you signed. Go ahead. What happened?
He came into the store and we did look around.
Okay, yeah, you can go back. You can kind of fast forward through that.
Okay.
Okay. So he says that when you talked to him there,
right,
that you were selling him as well the mirror, the dresser, and the nightstand.
No such a thing was discussed. The only item out of the bedroom set he selected was the actual bed.
And you didn't say to him, well, what about the nightstand and what about the dresser? Did you say, you didn't say that to him?
Well, it's a storage bed, so the only thing that they were concerned about is a lot of storage on the bed. So again, we just went over to the bedroom set. He looked at the bed, stood by the bed. I mean, the bed was the only discussion in the conversation.
Oh, you
and
mean
then
he never discussed the dresser and the nightstand?
Never was discussed, absolutely not, no.
So what ended up happening? He tells you, forget it, don't bring me anything, I don't want anything from your store.
Correct.
He got mad?
He got mad, yes.
Okay, and so where's the furniture now?
Still at my warehouse.
Okay. Have you put some thought into...
Yes.
Okay.
Your Honor, as him being a salesperson, we all know that he's gonna at least try to sell me the dresser and all of that stuff, right? He's saying he never said nothing about the dresser. All that was part of the package. When he told me, yo, you're getting the dresser, you're getting a nightstand, and you're getting the bed and the mattress. Why would I go in the store, if I'm getting it for a brand new apartment, why would I go in the store and just get a bed?
I don't know, people can do that. You might decide you want some of it. I mean, all you had to read were the following words: queen bed, queen mattress, and board, and what? Board?
Board.
Board. table and chairs, sofa bed, love seat, TV unit, coffee table, free pillow. Those are the only words on your contract. All you would have to do is see that. Well, how did you not see that other things you say you ordered aren't here?
So is this plaintiff out of luck? What do you think?
You snooze, you lose. That's the way it goes.
Snooze, you lose?
Yeah, I agree with him.
Exactly.
Once you left, it's a wrap. It's done.
We should have looked at the receipt.
The receipt. You gotta,
No doubt about it. Going inside the courtroom.
And when you said I ordered a living room set, you ordered a sofa bed and a love seat. That's what you ordered, right? I assume, did the sofa bed and love seat of the style that he ordered, does it have chairs?
Yes, of course.
Did he order the chairs?
No, he didn't.
Okay, so you're picking out what you're getting, you know? You ended up putting down a $2,000 deposit, correct?
Yes.
I just, you can't, what is it that you had offered to do for him?
We offer store credit on amount that he left in the store if his purchase is equal or greater to the merchandise that he's canceling. If not, it's subject to 30% restocking fee.
Well, I don't know what you're going to resolve with him. He's willing to offer you something that, you may or may not want. And it, I suggest that before you answer, you think about it, because you can't win this case. You can't just say, trust me, I was supposed to get a bunch of more stuff. I'm looking at your contract. Your contract has like 5 items on it. It's so clear, and you needed to have figured out what you're buying. I know you feel like you're being cheated. I think that this is a misunderstanding. And I kind of think that if you had said, wait, what about X, Y, and Z, that you would have been paying more than the 47 whatever for it. All he's asking you to do is pay what you got to pay for it. I don't know if you guys can work something out, but my job is done. The only thing I have to decide is, am I going to make that man give you a free mirror, dresser, and nightstand that is not in your contract? And the answer is no. I can't do that.
Right.
So in terms of this case, my verdict is for the defendant. And hopefully you won't charge that restocking fee, and you'll let him, figure it out and be able to use that $2,000. Good luck, folks.
And so that's the verdict. It goes in the defendant's favor here. Turn around this way and face this way.
Oh, okay.
What's your feeling coming out? You just weren't clear enough about what you were getting.
Right. I just wanted, I guess I just wanted my money back, but I guess, the ruling went the other way, so it's no big problem.
Yeah, well, why weren't you more clear about what you should have been expecting to get?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I thought it was what it was.
Yeah, it is what it was.
Yeah.
It was.
All right.
All right, follow him this way. Yeah, it was what it was. Step on in here. What are you going to do for the guy?
Hoping that he can come to the store and we can solve it out and then, continue.
What's your
our
response to
relationship.
what the judge said at the end there, hoping that maybe you waive the restocking fee so we can use the $2,000? What do you think about that? Will you do it?
I think we can come to a certain agreement. I don't know.
You willing to go that far?
I'm willing to do a lot for my customers, yes.
All right, so you're going to be in contact with him when
Of course, yes, absolutely.
when you leave here?
Yes.
All right, over to Harvey.
Okay, Kurt, you know what? Everybody assumes you get a receipt, you never look at it, you throw it in the bag, and I will say I'm guilty of the same thing. However, when you're buying big ticket items and you want to make sure that you're going to get everything that you paid for, you got to spend the 20 seconds that it takes to look over and make sure you're getting what you paid for.